Konnichiwa and welcome to another video here in Japan, in Tokyo. So in today's video we are heading to
TeamLab Planet.
And if you've never heard of it, well, you're about to find out. This is one of the most beautiful museum, actually an immersive light museum.
Yes.
And what we're about to see is about 4 vast exhibitions and 7 art works, which is going to be pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's going to be so magical.
Okay, so we're going to be basically telling you guys what the experience is, what we like about it, would we recommend it, but most of all also the valuable information such as like how much is it, when the best time to go, and then the rest will be history. So let's go find out and let's go. So guys, we're on the line right now and our admission time is between 3:30 to 4 o'clock. To get your tickets, it's 3,200 yen for an adult. So there's 2 of us, so it's 6,400 yen to get in. So obviously you can't just rock up. You have to book your tickets directly, or you can use Klook or get your guide to book your tickets. One good fact to know is if you are more likely to change your dates a few days prior of your actual visit, I suggest you guys book directly because there's a way to change your date and time if that time that you want is still available, and if not, then you can't change. This place books out so fast that you almost will need to plan ahead at least a few days before. Even better if you want to book it a week, then you can guarantee the best time. And if you're wondering, the best time to visit is actually going to be early in the morning, so 2 hours right at the start of the day, and then maybe 2 or 3 hours at the end of the day. The busiest is obviously from lunchtime onwards, so you try to avoid that. As you guys can see, there's a huge line outside already, but these are all people with all pre-booked tickets, time allocations already. So again, that's the price that we paid for, and that's the best time to go for. So let's see how long it actually takes us to get inside, but very excited as I've heard so much good things about it. I've seen a lot of actually photos and videos online about it, so it's going to be good to see, and without no comparison, we want to see it for ourselves and see what we think. So
And we're in, guys. So excited. Okay guys, so we just got into TeamLab Planet. So now we are at the lockers, we put our stuff in the lockers. I got changed because I was way too hot.
So another thing Corinne didn't mention is the lockers do come in for free. You don't have to pay for these. Some of the obviously environment you have to walk on basically with water, sometimes at knee level.
Yeah.
So you have to roll your pants up, and if you are wearing a skirt, you should wear shorts underneath, so that, because some of the floors are obviously mirrored, right? So that means they can see underneath. So you gotta remember that. And if you don't have shorts, that's fine, because you can rent the shorts as well, and that's all free. The lockers are free as well. So just remember, dress appropriate for it, come prepared, and if you do have a lot of stuff on you, these lockers are perfect for it.
All right,
So
let's go.
1
周目右手のウォーターエリア、2周目左手のガーデンエリアとなっております。
Alright, so we're in this room right now, probably one of the most mind-blowing, insane experience. Absolutely phenomenal views, and the amount of like lights, the way it shimmers, the way it sparkles, it's like you really step into another dimension. Very immersive, right?
Yes.
We've taken so many photos already, and look at that. It's just,
Wow.
It's like an avatar world to us.
Yes. Guys, how incredible is this room? with all those lights. It's so magical. If you look up, it just looks amazing. We spent already half an hour in here. How cool is this? Oh my god. I'm in love.
So that was an amazing experience. On the other side of the room, the floor level had like hot water right up to our knees.
Yes, and they were like lights,
Yeah.
and they were fish, koi,
Yep.
and it's computer animated.
And it's kind of projected into the water,
Yes.
and then as they swim
and they
through,
swim.
and then it kind of just evolves
transform
into
into
flowers.
flowers.
It's kind of like really visual.
Amazing.
And right now
And
we're
now
in the next room.
Yeah, we're in a room with like lots of big balls.
Big
hanging
balls,
from the
red
ceiling.
balls, and
it changes colors,
it
so you
changes
can
blue.
see.
Really, really nice. This whole museum is very, very like immersive in terms of like the light.
Yeah, like-
So sometimes you just have to kind of stay still, look around, and kind of feel your senses.
And here
in
again, everything is full with mirrors on the floor, which makes it even crazier with the lights.
Yeah. So I think we're not even finished yet, but I can already say it's definitely, I know why people come here and why people really crave about this place. So yeah, and if you're photogenic, perfect. And if you're not, still take photos. It's still amazing, right? So yeah, very good, very good. So guys, that is it, and what an amazing experience that has been. I must
That was
say,
pretty stunning.
we spent so much time in that light part. I don't know what the room with that name, but the one where it's all sparkles. But the rest of the whole
I think that was
exhibition,
our highlight. Or
yeah, and the other exhibition were pretty amazing too as well. There was like one room where it was so dark I couldn't really show you guys, but it was kind of like spinning, and I felt like the floor was like
you had troubles
rotating.
walking.
Yeah, I felt like I
because
lost.
everything was like moving, or you felt like it was moving.
Yeah, we also got to see the garden arena, which is pretty cool. It looked like Avatar eggs.
And it was outdoors actually, and it's
Yeah.
a little it rains a little bit, just not
Yeah.
much.
It's actually,
drizzles.
when it says
So
raining, I mean
it
she's talking about,
drizzles
yeah,
as
it's
well
actually,
in that room.
yeah,
It was good.
raining is in like Tokyo raining, not like effect raining, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was a total experience. That's definitely something I would definitely tell you guys to add to your bucket list if you're in Tokyo.
It was definitely worth it.
It will not disappoint, I promise. For someone who likes museum or not, the light thing goes out of our way. It's definitely immersive. It gets you up there, you feel pretty much everything. You see, you feel, you hear. So it's kind of like a nice way to put it. So I guess my overall experience of it is it's something that I would tell all my friends and I guess family. It's good fun, by the way, all ages I would say.
Yeah, totally.
So again, the price was 3,200 per person, so 6,400 for the both of us. I would say it's kind of Obviously the price is kind of like up there, but I would say it's worth it.
Yeah, so just in the end we also saw that there are other ones like TeamLab Forest, TeamLab, I don't know, something else.
Yes.
So there are a few others, I think so.
But yeah,
But I'm not sure in which.
there's only one in Tokyo right now
countries,
anyway,
so
and
yeah,
that's
yeah.
this TeamLab Borderless, but the one that we're in here is TeamLab Planet, and it's the only
Yeah.
one currently. There is obviously talks about that it's gonna close,
Yeah.
but it
But
is
apparently
popular.
they still have it open until the end of this year,
Okay,
2023.
2023. So make the
guys,
most of it.
hurry up, come to Tokyo and visit TeamLab.
Yeah, so again, this is pretty much it for the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Hope you guys are enjoying the Japan series because there's a lot more to come. And if you do want to see
Yes,
more,
stay tuned.
hit that subscribe button because there's going to be a lot way more content in of our travels.
And we see you in the next one.
All right, arigato.
Bye.
Good night.